Hey guys, welcome back to Health and Beauty Tips. In this video, we will learn easy homemade turmeric face pack for glowing skin and benefits of turmeric on face. But first, if you are new here, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. First, I am showing you the benefits of turmeric on the face. Turmeric is an essential kitchen ingredient that heals our body not just internally but also externally. When using turmeric for face, one of the key aspects most women look for is how to make a turmeric face pack for glowing skin, which is precisely what we will discuss here. Easy homemade turmeric face pack for glowing skin. One of the most asked questions by women is how to use turmeric on face for glowing skin. Well, here is a simple beauty solution helping you achieve just that. Honey is excellent antibacterial ingredient. This properly help in keeping your skin clear. You will need 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of turmeric paste. How to make and use this turmeric face pack? Let's see.